Hi viewers, welcome to Rasavinsuvai. Today I'm going to make a sabji with this dal. What I'm going to do is grind the dal with ginger garlic paste, green chili, sauce, salt and hing powder. And for the gravy I have taken two tomatoes, small tomatoes finely chopped and two onion finely chopped and kept ready. Oil is required. Here I have taken half cup of masoor dal and quarter cup of chana dal, soaked it for 3 hours and strained it the water completely. Now we will grind this. I have ground the dal. Now kept a steamer ready. Now pinch out the dal mixer and just keep it in the plate like this. Small pieces, you can just put it like this for steaming. You have to grind this to a smooth paste. Check for salt and chili. In the gravy also we are going to add masala. So in that also we will be adding chili powder. Now this I have pinched out and now we'll keep it for cooking in medium flame. I had kept the steamer ready. Meantime I have heated another kadai. In that we will add oil. Around 3 teaspoons of oil we will add. Now for tempering, only mustard seeds, a pinch of asafoetida. We will add the onion. Saute this till translucent. This can be served along with rice, chapati. In South India we make curry like this. It is known as Parippu urunda kulambu. Parippu means dal. Urunda means ball size. Banake. We will leave it in the gravy. For that gravy we use tamarind pulp and masala sambar powder. And after soaking the dal, grinding it and with red chili and all, I'll give the link in the description box so that you can check that recipe also. In that we use tur dal and it's very tasty dish to serve along with rice. Now the onions are translucent. I will add the tomato. and cook this till the tomato is mushy. We'll cover and cook it. We'll add little salt in this so that the cooking process will be faster. Now we will check whether the dal is cooked or not. Yes, this is cooked. See, it comes out very nicely and it's not getting stick to the fingers. So this is done. We can remove this and put the next batch. I have put the next batch also for steaming. One batch is already taken out. Now the tomatoes are not very ripe one, hence it takes time to cook. So what I have done is half the tomato, I have removed it, kept it for cooling. Now I'll grind and mix this pulp in this so that the gravy will have some body, creaminess and thickness. You ensure that you take fully ripe tomatoes. If you want, you can add the tomato paste and onion paste in this instead of sauteing this. But ensure that if you are sauteing this, then you should have a fully ripe tomato. I didn't have that, that's why I had to do this to make the gravy. The tomatoes have still not cooked properly. So this is a lesson for the beginners. Now we'll cover this and keep it for cooking. We'll add the masalas also in this now. So masalas also will get cooked. I've taken dhania jeera powder, haldi powder, then garam masala in this. Now we will cook this and wait for some time. The tomato and onion is cooked nicely and I'm adding water in it. We need to add 2.5 cup of water. And bring this to boil. If the tomatoes are not fully ripe one, then you can add the tomato paste and onion paste and cook instead of tomatoes and onion sauteing. Or after sauteing the onion and tomato, a part of that you can remove and make a paste of it and add to the gravy. Second batch of pakodis are also ready. It is coming out nicely. Now let the gravy come to a boil. Add salt. The gravy has come to a boil now. It's time to add the pakodis in it. Add the pakodis. You can fry the pakodis and add to it, but I have steamed it and put it in this. After making the batter, some more pakodis. After making the batter, you beat it well so that it will become fluffy, and the pakodis will also be very soft. Otherwise, the pakodis are likely to become hard. Now bring this to a boil so that the complete masala is infused into the pakodis also, and we'll get a good taste of that masalas. Garnish with coriander leaves. The Dal Pakodi Subzi is ready to serve. Thank you so much for watching the video. Subscribe to the channel, like, share, and comment. Like, share, and comment. Eat healthy, stay healthy. See you soon with another interesting recipe. Till then, bye bye.